Yo, what's up guys? So if you didn't follow Boris's announcement the other day, summer is happening. It's happening finally. 21st of June, fingers crossed, all going well. We are out of lockdown, we are at festivals, we're at pubs, we're at gigs, we're at football matches, we're at everything. And it's gonna be the best summer ever. This video is gonna talk about how to prepare your Depop for summer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Tip number 1 is sell your winter clothes. Sell them now, because after that announcement, people are going to be looking at autumn clothes, festival clothes, summer clothes. Everyone's bought North Face puffers already. People are discounting their North Face puffers. People who bought wholesale are now selling, you look on Depop, they're selling them for 70 quid, 80 quid instead of 150, 180 pounds when they're at their peak in December. Sell your winter stock. I'm already well behind on my winter stock. I'm having to take the L on that. This coat's on Depop, I've got a few other coats on Depop, and they're just not going to sell because people don't want coats anymore. They want shorts, they want tie-dye t-shirts, they want crazy weird things, you know, for summer. So sell your winter stock. Tip number 2. Goes without saying, invest in summer stock. Shorts, tie-dye t-shirts, football tops, vests, bucket hats, bum bags, man bags, sunglasses, flip-flops, trainers, tie-dye socks, just random white socks, anything summery. You think festival, you think summer, you think beach. What do you buy now to now then sell on Depop later on in the next few months? I'm going to start selling soon because I think that announcement is going to spark people. There'll be people who are going to go mad on Depop for summery stock. So get on it as soon as you can. Next tip is timing. When do you buy? When do you sell? First thing, look at festival seasons. Look at big English festivals, big Spanish, German festivals that people go to from England. Look at them now, look at their dates, monitor if they're happening. COVID has made this so hard for everybody, but it's down to you to now kind of figure out when's best to buy, when's best to sell. To buy, I would start buying now. I'd start buying cheap. Obviously wait until charity shops, car boots and stuff reopen, that would be best for stock. But get on stuff now. Start selling. Honestly, I think it's fresh in people's minds now, especially after Boris's announcement. I think people are going to start thinking about summer. I'm thinking about summer. I'm already looking at stock for myself, and I think people are going to follow suit soon. So start buying as soon as you possibly can, and then you're going to have peaks of different things during the next few months. For example, the Euros are coming up, you know. Football shirts are going to be at a premium, bucket hats are going to be at a premium. If we can go out to festivals, bucket hats, bum bags, man bags, they're going to be shit hot this year because more people are going to be going because we now have the freedom to go. So invest in stock now, figure out the timings later on. There's going to be peaks of different things, so monitor things, you know. Saving your searches now, football shirts, bucket hats, bum bags, save them in your searches. You might slowly see the price increase, you might see them go down. It's like stock, there will be peaks. Invest now, sell later. The next tip might only apply to a few people or some people, but upcycle your stock. If you've got spring stuff that doesn't sell, upcycle it to summer stuff. If you've got winter stuff that doesn't sell, upcycle it to summer clothes. You don't have to get rid of your winter stock super cheap or donating them to charity, and you get cool one-of-a-kind items. I'm making bucket hats. This is my own bucket hat. I made it. Stuff like that. That's from an old shirt. Make bucket hats, crop tops, vests, you know, stuff like that. Have a look on YouTube how to upcycle winter to summer. Stuff like that. Bucket hats. They're really easy to make. I've made a video on them. I think there'll be, in fact, check here. There'll be a little thing up here on how to make a bucket hat. It's not a very good one from me because I made it out of denim, but it's an idea of what you can do to reinvest your time instead of throwing stock away. Upcycle. It's good for everyone. The next point, it's not really a tip because it kind of varies on who you are, but photos. Start shooting outside. Start shooting on fields, you know, make it look summery. If you've got a really cool t-shirt or shirt or hat or anything like that, shoot it outside and model it and make it look like you are in summer. Because then people will get it in their head. You kind of change how people think about that item. They might see it, if it's a flat lay, they won't think that's for summer. They'll just think, you know, it's an item. Model it outside, make it look summery. Anyway, they're my tips. Follow them at your own will. They're kind of what I'm going to be doing in the next few months, buying summer stock and getting rid of winter stock, because summer is coming and it's coming hard. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the Insta at jamie.sco, and hopefully I'm going to start doing a few more videos this week. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks again, and bye.